Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 and my partner Siti Khadijah and Fadila Rahmadani. Today we are going to have a discussion about online learning. We will talk about experience, difficulties, and so far during online learning. So, how do you feel when online learning, guys? For me, the online learning experience as students for me has been fine. I sometimes find myself not interested in doing my assignments and I feel like I'm lazy. I still do the assignments, but I sometimes end up turning in my assignments late. It's like I'll do the assignments whenever I feel like doing it. Well, I can say that there is a reason for this, and there is where I am doing my assignments. Uh, yeah, and then my home, my home is not a learning environment like at the university, where there are teachers, other students, learning tools, chairs, a library, lots of space, and those who you can get support from. At home is like a sleeping or resting environment. In a classroom, I can focus more on my assignments or work and get engaged in the subject. So whenever I'm in a classroom, I feel prepared to learn and get my brain pumped. At home, I feel like it's very hard to be prepared because I'm always getting distracted. And yeah, whenever I need help, my teachers or classmates are there for me, like you guys. Thank you. And when I have a question at home, I have to wait for a response. I do have to say that whenever I'm at a uni, I always feel nervous in class. Now that I'm at home learning, I don't feel nervous at all. From my online learning experience right now, I would not choose more online learning in the future because in a university, a classroom is a learning environment. Also, I feel like it's easier to communicate with my classmates or groups for projects. Learning at a university is best for me. And then what about you, Fadila and Khadijah?
Okay, I feel very enjoy in online learning because I think online learning can allow student run classes from any location. For example, I can attend class when I'm on the train or coffee shop or whenever I feel very comfortable. And what do you think, Khadijah?
Yeah, okay. I will continue Fadila about online class. For me, as a student, my online class experience hasn't been great. This new learning system has its perks, such as more time to do assignment in the comfort of my home, not having to wake up so early to go to school, and ensure staff as well as the student. Despite these benefits, there are downsides of this method of learning. For example, I have many responsibilities at home, such as taking care of my younger siblings, cooking meals, cleaning up after them, etc. I also find it harder to have any motivation when I'm doing school assignment. When I'm surrounded by all these other temptation, like my phone or other electronics, I lose any will to the work. And yeah, uh, I have question. Is about um, what are what are your difficulties when learning online? For me, the first difficulty during the online class is internet access, which is one of the obstacles that is quite a lot experienced by students when online class. One of the factors is the lack of good signal availability in various regions, especially for students in remote areas. They are still having trouble getting a signal. The second is that it's difficult to understand the material. And the third, feeling lazy and difficult to concentrate. Learning online actually adds to the feeling of laziness, and it is also difficult for students to concentrate. Apart from being busy with the assignment given, students also have more time to play gadgets like playing games, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media compared to studying. As a result, there is a feeling of laziness which is very difficult to resist and also difficult to concentrate when studying, especially when the teacher often gives a lot of text which will actually make students even more bored and stressed when studying. And continued maybe 20 to next it.
Okay, Khadija, thank you. So yeah, it is very relatable because the two big problems for me is also about time management and also self-motivation. Well, in time management, sometimes I feel difficult in managing time with online learning. I need a scheduled planner to manage my time in an effective manner. Well, online learning provides flexible time, unlike the traditional classroom, but I face difficulties in adjusting to the time required for online learning. And also, the second is self motivation. Well, I start losing hope once I find difficulties in online learning. Lack of motivation, I think, is a common challenge for me and for us, maybe. Okay, I think that's two big problems that I face. And what about you, Fadila? What's your problem during online learning?
Fadila, hello. You can continue it.
Fadila, perhaps Fadila has a problem.
Guys, hello. Hello.
Okay, okay. Hi, welcome back. Okay, you can
Sorry.
share your opinion. That's fine.
Uh, I think the difficulty when online learning is a network problem, especially when I am in my hometown. The connection is very bad, so it really annoys me in understanding material. How about you, Khadija?
Yeah, I think uh, I I have it to give opinion about it, Fadila.
Okay. So, how do you solve learning problems, guys, when learning online?
Well, the solution for my problems for the first is time management. Okay, so I think the solution sometimes the first one, so I have three solutions for my problems about time management. The first one is create a to-do list. Yeah, I prepare a list of activities on an everyday basis. I try to break down large activities into smaller ones for better learning outcomes. So I use this list to tackle each task. And then the second is seek for help. So to manage time during online learning, I seek help from my parents or friends so that I will not miss out on learning and at the same time work will be done. Yeah, sometimes I ask my mom to remind me that I have a class. Well, I think it's every day my mom always reminds me. And then The last is avoid multitasking. So complete, complete, complete one task at a time, as it can make my work less effective and productive. And then a solution for my problem about self motivation. I only have one solution, I guess. It's about you always have to stay positive. Make sure that I am positive towards online learning. Make use of the time in the best way and gain knowledge for better learning outcomes. I think that. Then what about you, Khadija?
Yeah, for me to solve problems such as uh, disruption of internet access, school must provide internet quota for their student. And then to prevent students from being lazy, maybe teachers will monitor students' learning progress at home and perhaps using an alternative to visiting them at home. Yeah, that's all from me. And Fadila, time is yours to continue it.
Okay, okay. I overcame my problem in online learning by playing back the online meeting footage that my lecturer gave me. They usually give me the recording of the meeting via Zoom or Gmeet, and I think it's really helps me to understand the material. I think that's all for discussion about online class today. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, okay, what a great discussion, and I hope all of you guys have a new view or a different view about this online learning. I hope we can meet as fast as we can. I hope this pandemic is over very very soon, so we can meet and mingle each other like we used to do. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
See you guys.
See
See you
you.
everyone. Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.